Within Business Central, we currently have a role that I'm going to load as the sales order processor. Now, being that I have a junior member starting on a team, I will want him to have a similar role to myself, but not with everything that's currently extended here. So I want to remove some menu items and some things off my screen here. And so to do that, we are going to tell me, or to the search, I'm going to type profiles. I'm going to open up profiles and look in the list for the sales order processor. Here it is. Once we click on it, we can copy this. We're going to call this the sales order junior. I'm going to call it a junior cut down role. Hit OK. A few things to note here. This does not define the security against the user. This just determines their view. You will still need to configure the user's security to turn around and restrict them having access to the system to areas which you do not want them going. But from the role, few things we can do here. This will be a default for that person, and we can disable them personalizing it, which means whatever we give our junior sales order processors, they will be fixed to that view. Alright, we have a few related menus here to do with profile extensions and customized pages. I want to customize pages. So let's click on this, and it's going to open up Business Central in a role customization function. So right now I can see we're customizing the junior cut down role. It's a sales order processor, and when we're done, we hit done. I don't want some things to be here, so they're not going to be doing returns. I'm going to hide. I can, that's currently part of a master role. I'm going to go in here into items, and I'm going to hide the journal, hide the attributes, charges, tracking. I don't wish them to see posting. Let's see if I can do that. I'm going to hide analysis. I'm going to hide administrative sales. Fantastic. So this role now is starting to cut down. Under purchasing, I'm going to just load this here, get rid of, hide. Actually, we want purchase orders. Show. We just don't want them having access to posted documents. And in this example, personalization means full personalization. So I could get rid of vendor card details here. I could change the menu here. I might want them to have this here in the menu. Let's go back. Not happy with the home screen, so let's just change this around a little bit. We're going to get create, hide. Sales, I don't want them having that. History, I don't want them having that. This report can go, and reports can go. Hide. And tasks, they definitely don't need that. And sales return orders. On the menu bar here, we've currently got sales, ready to ship, partially shipped, delayed. I don't want returns, so I'm going to hide returns. And we're going to get rid of welcome to wires. Let's hide that. User tasks we don't do, so I'm hiding that. And email tracing we're not doing. They don't need to be doing approvals. And then we can leave self-service, but time sheeting, and I'm going to move their sales report up. So let's just drag that up here. Excellent. Everything else can hide. So hide, hide, and the report inbox, hide. Excellent. Let's just hit done. This is now cut down the role. So I'm now in this role. And you can close this tab. So now I've enabled the role. I'm going to show in Role Explorer. Let's escape down, escape out, and I'm going to go My Settings, change my role to the Junior. Where's the Junior? Junior, cut down role. And now the system will be reshaped to only what I want that user to see. So they can only create sales quotes, sales orders, and they only have availability to see their job queue, their sales, their timesheets. That's how we create a new role from copying an existing role. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you.